Alright, I'm here with Alexia and Levi, and we are going to show how to make the catapult for CC week number 22. So the things that we need are some popsicle sticks, some rubber bands, and a bottle cap. And each of the students is going to be making their own catapult, but there is some adult supervision for this part that can be prepped ahead of time. So with the popsicle stick, we're going to take the scissors and cut a notch on either side, close to the end. And we're going to do that same thing for 2 of the popsicle sticks. And we can take those and we're going to set them off to the side. So that leaves us with 8 remaining popsicle sticks. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a rubber band and wrap one around the end of the stack. And then take another rubber band and do the same thing on the other side. And that will be the base for our catapult. And now with the 2 notched popsicle sticks, we'll take a rubber band and we'll wrap it around where the notch is. That's kind of like chopsticks, right? So we'll open that up. Try to slide that we'll try to slide that into the base underneath the bottom popsicle stick there. It's like a duck. So now with the base of the catapult made, this is where we're going to glue on the bottle cap. And you can use any type of glue. Regular Elmer's glue just takes longer to dry. A glue stick would work, but here we're using a hot glue gun. One thing we noticed when testing is if you put the bottle cap on the top, you're pulling down on that bottle cap and it forces it to pop off. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this a little bit lower so we can pull down on the popsicle stick when we're launching. And now it's time to launch something. So a few things that we have to launch here are some pom-poms and some mini marshmallows.
It's a ceiling!
Oh!
How many if I